Hey. I come from a certain village called Agule, Balisa. I'm contributing 100,000 cash.
Okay, thank you.
I shall contribute 1 million shillings.
Right on, all the members here. My name is Martin Uzari. I represent the people of Uzaya, that is Kamui district, where Mama comes from. Mr. Kasuba, we're already working with the community where we come from and contribute on this matter.
Thank you.
And on top of that, I'm contributing milkshake.
Thank you very much.
Mama, the guest for this important fundraising, and the Right Reverend Paul Thomas Saba, the Bishop of Sebe Diocese. Already, Sebe Diocese contributed 10 million, and today, Sebe Diocese adding 6,500,000. I'm making my personal contribution of 200,000 cash.
We have been struggling contributing fundraising at home, and so personally I contribute 100,000.
So I'm a bit mixed up. I'll contribute 300 euros tomorrow. I want to ask those who have made pledges to do the needful so that we can fulfill our objectives. So with that, we want to say thank you so much for coming. Let's continue the campaign. We'll meet you again on the 3rd of June in big numbers. Thank you so much and have a good evening.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.